How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here with the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and I'm coming to you with I guess would be my very first update on Fred Henry's Coronavirus 500 NASCAR build. And I'm going to show you the update on that, and then I want to give some shout outs here to three guys. And I'm going to go ahead and start off with that real quick. And the very first guy I want to give a shout out to is Justin at J Hart Model Works. And right now, that guy, he's awesome. He does tutorials. I see a lot of talented people, and he's pretty good. I mean, he's really good. And right now, he's building a Tamiya 124 scale Ford GT, and it's the new GT, and that thing is nice. He's free hand painting the stripes, instead of using decals, and this guy's just totally awesome. And so I want to give a good shout out to him. And I'm going to try to leave the links in the bottom of this, but I'm not a computer savvy guy, so if I don't get the links in there, I'll just put their names and their channels up on this video right here to where you can see it. But if I can put the links in, I will. I'll try to figure it out. But like I said, if it don't happen, it don't happen. I'm not very good at that. And then two, a lot of y'all might know him, and then a lot might not. We're trying to get his subscriptions up too. And that's James Tester. And of course, he's at the Scale Model Experiment, and he's had a lot of people are answering some of his questions he asked here a while back, and I did a video, and a lot of people did a video, and then there's a lot of people that haven't done videos, but that's fine. But he's also building a 112 scale Tamiya Porsche 910, and he's real good about doing tutorials too, and he's just a really good model builder. So I want to give a shout out to him. And then the third guy I'm going to give a shout out to, a lot of y'all know him, and he's really trying to get his subscriptions up. It's my buddy over in Ireland, this old Keith, and he's KRS Model Unboxing and Scale Builds. And he was talking to me the other day, and he said that he'd like to do a sub giveaway, but he's trying to get his subscriptions up, and he really hadn't moved a whole lot. So if you're a subscriber of me and some of these other guys I mentioned, y'all try to check him out and help him get some subs. I think he's still sitting at 100 and something. I'm not for sure. I'd have to check it out again. But he's trying to move up a little bit. And y'all try to help him out. And like I said, if he can get enough, he'll do a sub giveaway. But that being said, if I can't leave the links in there, I'll have their names on this video and stuff. But the main thing on this is the Coronavirus 500. The main rule of this is they have to be dead. Okay, so this is my build right here. It's the MPC Buddy Baker Charger, 1973 Dodge Charger, and it's 1/16 scale kit. And I think Chris at CP101 said he built one a few years back. I tried to find the video, but I think he deleted a lot of his videos and stuff with all that scare here a while back. But Chris, if you're watching me, I'd like to see your video on that. Alright, let me turn this around and show you what I've gotten done so far. Alright, this is what I've gotten done so far. You can see I'm trying to get this roll cage all mocked up in here. That way I can get it painted and get this chassis painted and stuff, but that way I can pull it all back apart. I'm having a little bit of fit right here, little fitment issue, so I got these things weighted and trying to keep it held down enough to hold. Let that glue get good and set. And then, like I said, the only thing I've gotten done is I've painted on the hood, and I've got the body painted, but I got a bunch of stuff over here. I want to try to get that motor thrown together, and then I got to take pretty much all the chrome, almost, not all of it, but most 90% of the chrome I got to take, and I'm going to put in bleach bath and get all the chrome stripped off it, especially off the wheels and valve covers and stuff like that. Because as you can see by the box art there's not really no chrome on the car other than maybe the bumpers. So we're gonna get all that done, and that's what I'm working on right now. And hopefully for too long I can get you another video, another update. But like I said, right now I'm just trying to do what I can do. I'll go back to work for the weekend, and then next week I'll start in on it again. So if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe, and please check out the guys I just mentioned. Thank you.